to be doing a full day of eating, and we're also going to be hitting arms. So we'll be taking you through that. Cam has an announcement for you guys.
This full day of eating is gonna be a little different. Stevie's gonna show you what he's eating on his bulk, and I haven't been bulking. I've actually been on prep for the last 5 weeks. So we got a show in 6 days. So my diet today is gonna be a little different than Stevie's, and you guys will get to see that.
All right, my breakfast is done. We have 5 eggs and a little bit of cheese right there. And then right here, we got 100 grams of oats. We have like a mixed berry mix, such as peaches, bananas, and strawberries. And then we got a bunch of peanut butter, which is like 4 tablespoons or like 70 grams. So that's gonna be delicious.
All I got is 2 eggs and 8 ounces of black coffee. That's my breakfast for the next 3 days before we start the carb up for the show. All right, guys, getting ready for the gym. Gotta have our pre-workout meal. Stevie gets a lot more food than I do, but it's okay. It's just how prep is. But we'll show y'all what we got whipping up.
All right. Pre-workout meal is 200 beef, 250 rice. And we did some barbecue sauce, some tapatio, some pico, some sour cream, and a monster. For my second favorite meal of the day. Too much peanut butter at breakfast for it not to be my favorite. So it's about to go down and I hit an arm day.
For the pre-workout meal, all we got is 200 grams of beef. Should be having veggies with it, but we ran out, so we're gonna get some at the store later. Got a white monster and 200 beef pre-workout. We've arrived at the gym. It might be a quick little workout because we're just doing arms. We both have cardio today though. Stevie's still doing cardio on the bulk.
Like 2-3 days a week.
Yeah, a lot less than me, but we got our boy Nick. Oh, he walked away.
Tahoe champ.
Tahoe champ.
All right, y'all.
But it's gonna be a good workout. It's gonna be an intense workout, and we're gonna fucking get to work. No fucking around. 6 days out. Right?
In the trenches.
In the trenches. 6 more days.
Yeah, I can't do that. All right, you guys, this is like a over the head kind of skull crusher. We're doing like, I guess it'd be like, what would you call that? Tricep extension kind of thing. Yeah. We got this from like Sam Solik's video. Just put a bench on the side, a little V grip, and you can load this thing like crazy and get a good stretch. This movement feels great, so let's get into it.
That was heavy. Gnarly. So it's fucking 7 weeks after Tahoe, and I've been on prep for about 5 weeks. So this is what we're working with. Alright, we just finished arm day. I got about 45 minutes of cardio on the Stairmaster. Stevie's got about 30 minutes. And get into it, get out of here, get some food in our body.
All right, I'm eating my next meal right now. It's a 42-gram little Fairlife protein shake. That's gonna go down, and Cam's gonna wait a little bit. When you're dieting, you kind of want to like push your food as much as possible. So we got a couple errands to run, and then he'll eat 200 grams of beef, and we'll catch up with you guys then. Also, I guess one of these errands is a little surprise, and we'll film some of that. Yeah, Cam's a little dead right now.
Very excited, though.
What are you excited for, man?
A surprise.
All right, so about, how long was it? 4 days ago?
Yeah.
Like 4 or 5 days ago, I bought a new car. It's a Ford Raptor 2019, and this is what it's looking like after the tint we just got today.
All right, guys. Post-workout meal. Same thing as pre-workout meal. Just 200 grams of beef. There's 6 days out, so I have depletion for the next 3 days. It's gonna be the exact same food for the next 3 days, and that's all I get. But all right, I got 3 meals left today. This is third to last one. 200 grams of chicken, and then I got 80 grams of asparagus, but that's in the oven right now, so I'm waiting on that. But That's all I'm doing. Also paired nice little DC. Don't sleep on them. They're fire.
Little DC action. It's actually getting really hard to remember. I started eating this, but it's okay. I have 200 grams of potato, and I oven baked it, a little bit of olive oil and some salt. I have a little bit of cheese, a little bit of sour cream, some pico, and another 200 grams of beef. Paired with a little DC action going on.
Guys.
The whole time about the beach.
It's getting really hard to remember to film. All right, we're on to the next meal. Get 2 more after this. I mean, one. I'm talking to him.
One more meal after.
I know. I got 1 more meal after this. So right now, currently having 200 grams of shrimp, and I got some asparagus as well, but it's over there. I don't want to go get it right now. Right. I got 1 more after this, and Stevie's gonna tell you what he got right now.
All right, I got
What you got,
250 grams of rice, 200 grams of chicken, some barbecue sauce, some sweet chili, and some sour cream wet, and then some pico.
Messed up, man. Messed up. Not much else to say. Take this one on the chin. Admit to it. Messed up. We didn't film our last meal. And we're taken away from the full day of eating.
Wait, did we not do the chicken either? Oh, dude, we didn't do the last 2.
Oh, we did, dude.
We didn't do the chicken.
I didn't mind.
Of what? Your shrimp?
Shrimp.
Oh, I didn't mind then yet?
Yeah, I think
Oh,
so.
okay.
Continue. Full day. 6/7.
Tell them what you ate.
Alright, what I ate, 200 grams of chicken. That's all I get. That's all I got. It's 3 days. Peak week, 6 days out.
We fumbled that. I had a protein shake and a brookie, which is a brownie cookie from Granville Gardens.
Hell yeah, you did, boy.
It was good. It's a nice way to cap off the night.